So we are heading towards the iconic Boxing Day Test match at the Melbourne Cricket Ground, and it is all set to start from the 26th of December. Controversies and the BGT are a long lost love story. It's been going on since since many years, and this time around it's no different. Everything started with whatever happened between Mohammad Siraj and Travis Head, and then things just got worse from there. That incident, after that, we saw the incident that happened between Jadeja and the press during that press conference that he had on the ground in Melbourne, where when he walked away without answering a few questions of the Australian media, and they were not too happy about that. After that, we also saw whatever happened with Virat Kohli at the Melbourne airport when he reached with his family. We saw whatever happened, the kind of conversation he had with a reporter over there. Then we had a lot of reaction from there as well, and now there is a new turn, and things have gotten even more spicier as we are getting to the business end of this series. Here you see two images on the screen, the image on the right and on the image on the left. There is a lot of difference between the two images. The first image that you see on your screen right now at this point is the practice wicket that was given to the Australian team. Looks a lot flatter. It looks it has a good covering on grass of it. It looks there is good purchase for fast bowlers there, good batting conditions as far as these practice wickets are concerned, and you can also see that it looks a very true surface. This was the practice wicket that was given to the Australian team today, that is 3 days before the starting of the test match. And why I'm specifically telling you that 3 days before the test match, because that's what is going to really be the key moving ahead in this video. So this wicket, a lot more truer surface as compared to what you saw in the previous slide, the image that was on your right. I'll just show you that image as well. A lot more truer surface, green coverage, a good, in fact, you can say it's quite like the wicket that is going to be there for the test match that will be taking place at the MCG. Now, the other image that I'm going to show you, these were the wickets that were given to the Indian team over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The 2 days when we saw the Indian team practicing, this was the wicket that was given to the Indian team. You can see there's a vast difference in both the wickets. It's quite more worn out. It looks like a much more used wicket. Not too much purchase for the fast bowlers. Not a great batting wicket in that sense. And since the time the images of the Australian practice wicket has come out, both the images have been circulating on the internet. This has really created a lot of spark, and because of this, now things are also being connected to whatever happened with Rohit Sharma yesterday during the practice session that India had. So basically, this image you would have seen yesterday. We had done specifically a different video on this as well. Rohit Sharma was seen having an ice pack on his knee, and the reason for that was that while a throw arm specialist was bowling towards him with with that machine arm, that ball did not bounce that much, and Rohit Sharma got hit on his knee. Even though he's fine now, everything is fine, he is match fit, he will be coming out for the toss as well as of now on the 26th of December. But what actually speculated so much conversation was that because the kind of wicket that the Indian team was given, and there was not sufficient bounce, that even with the robot arm there wasn't sufficient bounce, and that's why Rohit Sharma got hit. And you are giving Indian team deliberately such wickets and Australian team much truer wickets, so that it favors the hosts, and the Australia have much more match-like conditions when they are coming out for practice, and India not having the same case as well. Even when Akashdeep came for that conversation yesterday with the media, he also mentioned this thing. He said that I think this wicket was for wide ball, which is why the ball kept low at times. But these blows are common in training. There is no major concern because of that. The last line was for Rohit Sharma. There is no major concern. He is absolutely fine. But when he said that this wicket, it looks more of a wide ball wicket, I think he is absolutely correct, because the wickets that the Indian team got were the same wickets that were used for the BBL. The Big Bash League is also currently going on in Australia. It's the Australian cricketing summer, so lots of cricket going on there. So for the practice of the BBL teams, those were used for that as well, and then the Indian team was also given the same wickets. But there is a very big reason for that as well, and that's exactly what the curator of the MCG had to say about it. He said that we got the schedule of the Indian team well ahead, but we usually give match-centric wickets only 3 days before the match. It's applicable for all the teams. So the curator of the MCG making it very, very clear here that it's for all the teams, the rule applies same. If we just talk about 3 days before the game, today is count starting from today. There are 3 days left to the match for the match to begin, and the Australian team has started practice today. The Indian team practiced over the weekend. That would have been day 4 and 5 towards the test match. And a very big reason why a lot of grounds do this all across the world, and the reason for that is as you get closer to the game, you want wickets to be more like the wicket that is going to be in the match. And if those same wickets are used even before 3 days, then getting closer to the test match, those wickets deteriorate and you don't have the same conditions as far as the match-like such conditions are concerned. So what the curator said, that these are rules applicable for everyone. Even though they knew that the Indian team is going to be practicing over the weekend, they still chose to give them those wickets because of the reason that they wanted the fresher wickets to be available to both the teams for the practice, getting closer to the test match, specifically 3 days. So the Indian team opted to have take rest today, and that's a very big reason why the Indian team did not come to practice today, and the Australian team came and they got fresher wickets, and so much speculations over the internet started. But the curator has clearly said it out. You can even listen to what he said exactly on his press conference is up on our channel already, so you can go and have a look at that as well. But it has been made very clear that India will come, when India comes for practice tomorrow, they will also be getting much better conditions to bat on, more of the conditions that you're seeing on the left of your screen right now, more the kind of conditions the Australian team got today, got today for their practice session. So there is nothing like that the Australians are getting, that the Australian media, the Australian media, yeah, definitely, but the Australian board and the MCG curators, everyone are trying to go after the Indian team. They don't want them to have the best conditions. That's not the case. That's what the curator has at least come out and pointed it out. And now moving ahead, the Indian team will also be getting better wickets to play on. There is nothing, no official statement has come out from the Indian cricket team. It's not like they are too, even if they are unhappy, that's not what they have said till now. Maybe they also know what the rules exactly are, and they know that when they come out for practice next time, even they will be getting the same kind of conditions that the Australians have gotten. So for now, that is it from this video. Lots of more content coming your way, so stay tuned to Sports Today. If you haven't subscribed till now, do press the subscribe button, and do not forget to share this video with all your sport loving friends.